to American Dream Mansions. Today we are touring a stunning luxury house surrounded by spectacular mature trees and a peaceful natural environment. This beautiful property features a modern gray and cream color design, elegant architecture, and high-end finishes that make this home look like a true dream mansion. Let's begin with the drone view. From above, you can see how large and private this property is. The house sits on a big piece of land with tall trees all around it, giving the home a calm and relaxing feeling. The gray and cream exterior makes the mansion look modern, clean, and very expensive. The long driveway leading to the house gives a grand first impression and shows that this is a true luxury property. Now we move closer to the front gate. The entrance gate is wide and modern, with beautiful landscaping on both sides. As you drive in, you can see the full view of the house, and it looks even more impressive from the front. The tall windows, stylish lights, and clean design make the exterior look like a high-end custom home. Let's walk to the main entrance. The front door is large and elegant, with modern lighting and tall pillars around it. As soon as we open the door, we enter the grand foyer. The first thing you notice is the high ceiling and the beautiful chandelier hanging in the center. The marble floor shines under the lights, and the gray and cream colors give the home a warm but luxury feeling. Now we move into the living room. This living room is very spacious and open. The large windows bring in natural light and also give a view of the trees outside. The sofas match the gray and cream theme perfectly, and the modern LED TV wall makes the room look very stylish. This space is perfect for relaxing, watching movies, or hosting guests. Next, we go to the kitchen. The kitchen is designed in modern American style with high-quality materials. In the center, there is a large marble island that can be used for cooking or eating. The cabinets are gray with cream walls, and the lights above make the kitchen look bright and beautiful. There is plenty of space here for family cooking, parties, or daily life. Connected to the kitchen is the dining area. The dining room has a big table with enough space for a large family. The modern light fixture above the table gives a very elegant look. The big windows make the room feel open and fresh. This is the perfect place for family dinners or special celebrations. Now let's go to the garage. This house has a very big garage with space for multiple cars. The floor is clean, the lighting is bright, and the design looks like a luxury car showroom. A home like this is perfect for someone who loves expensive cars or needs extra storage space. Next, we go to the master bedroom. The master bedroom is large, comfortable, and very modern. The big bed, soft lights, and gray and cream colors make the room feel calm and relaxing. The windows give a beautiful view outside, and the ceiling design makes the room look even more expensive. This bedroom feels like a 5-star hotel suite. Now we enter the master bathroom. The bathroom is designed with marble walls and modern glass shower doors. There is a big bathtub where you can relax after a long day. The sink and mirror design look very stylish, and the lighting makes everything shine. This bathroom feels more like a spa than a normal home bathroom. Next, we check the home gym. This private gym has modern workout machines, big mirrors, and lots of open space. You can do exercise here anytime without leaving the house. Having a gym inside your home is one of the best features of a luxury mansion. Now let's go outside to the backyard. The backyard is one of the most beautiful parts of this house. There is a large swimming pool with lights around it, making it look amazing at night. Next to the pool, there is a swing chair where you can sit and relax. The tall trees around the property make the backyard feel peaceful and private. This is the perfect place for family time, parties, or relaxing evenings. Finally, we come to the TV lounge. This room is designed for entertainment and comfort. There is a big LED TV wall, soft sofas, and cinema-style lighting. This is the perfect place to watch movies, sports, or spend time with friends and family. The gray and cream theme continues here, making the whole house look connected and stylish. This entire home shows what a real dream mansion looks like. Beautiful design, big rooms, peaceful location, and luxury details everywhere you look. Now we want to know your opinion. Would you live in this house if you had the chance? If you enjoy watching luxury home tours like this, make sure to subscribe to American Dream Mansions and turn on notifications so you never miss another dream house tour. Thank you for watching. And we will see you in the next luxury mansion tour.